Good afternoon, teachers. Good afternoon, teachers. So thank you for taking out your valuable time and joining today's session. So let me now go through take you through this ATM uh, gaming solution. So where like how we can use this platform like to create the e-content or the digital content for our regular subjects, either whichever the subject is. So how we can use this. So before going into that, so just would like to take you through like who are like working with us like in this ATL gaming solution platform. Uh, so this is ATL Gaming Solution is a, initiative of Atal Innovation Mission and Niti Aayog, supporting by the Dell Technologies. And here, this program is being implemented by Learning Links Foundation. So ATL Gaming Solution, the platform which is this is an online platform where we can use this different features of this online platform, and we can create the digital content by using this platform. Digital content is like you can create uh, like uh, animations. We can create some subjects concepts like through this platform. And this platform is like just a few features of this platform. It is completely like interactive way of learning the programming, and this is online platform, so anybody can access these resources and they can learn it, and there is no age limit as such. And like it is completely free, and it is an open source platform, and only what we require to access all these features to use all these things is we require a device, any tech device like either mobile or the computer, or maybe the desktop, and we need the internet connection to access this platform. Okay. So here in this we have three different tools, three different applications which we have in uh, okay. Yeah. So we have these three courses here: Scratch and Construct and Unity. So Scratch is the very beginner level, and Construct is an intermediate level, and Unity is an advanced level. So let me take you through the portal. Uh, so like how to uh, so as we have this Scratch, either this construct application, Unity. So how we can access these applications, and how we can create the digital or the e-content by using this platform, by using this gaming solution platform. So we have an website which is called as planetcode.in. So Planet Code website, so which we need to so let me take you through the Planet Code website. Just a second. Yeah, so let me share the screen with you. Okay, so this is uh, website. So the Planet Code .in website. So you can go either Google Chrome or Firefox or any Internet Explorer. So just you can use this uh, planetcode.in website URL. So here you can see, as we said, like this is developed by Atal Innovation Initiative of Atal Innovation Mission Niti Aayog, and where Dell Technologies is supporting and Learning Links Foundation is implementing for this. So here we have the different tabs. You can see home, courses, community, and login, sign up. So if you are the new user and first time, like when you are, if you are using this platform, if you are using this website of Planet Code, so then first we need to sign up. So to sign up, so just click on sign up, and then go as a student, teacher, or you want to enroll for a class. So just you can give the details, what are the details that is requested for the registration purpose. So here you can give the details like first name, last name, username, and all. So just for instance here, like to show you how to do that, so just will take you through like how to register. So just you can give here uh, uh, basic details like for the, here I am using, okay, so first name Sunita, for example, like M. So then username. So you can, here username, you have the few suggestions which you want. So if you can select it as a your username, or just you can, if you want make it your username yourself, just you can give that also. Okay, so here I have taken, so this is my username, and then email ID. So you can give your email ID. So in case if you do not have the email ID, so no need to worry about it, no need to bother. So if you have the email ID, so please you can mention your email ID. So the password, so it should be the 8 characters. So then you can give whether it is a number or characters. So then password, just I have confirmed the same password in the second box. Now you can give like the date of birth, for example. So here gender, so you can like Sunita, so just I'm here it is female. So then school name, you are from which school, like for example here if I'm using like Amit. Yeah. Okay, so like this you can register. So with the school type and country, state, so all these details you can give, and you can click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, so then again, like if you want to log in, so you can go to here the login page. So then you can give your username and password. So with that, like which you will be logging. Now, for example, like if here I am logging. Okay. So once you can give sorry, I might be my login ID password is not working here, so that is fine. So but just you can give the username and password, so then you will enter into the website. So once you enter into the website, so you will have the all the videos, like all those courses here, like Scratch and Construct and Unity. So then you can explore these Scratch and Construct and Unity. So like right from the beginning, so how to start and where to start, so how to write the coding, how to create the animation, so those basic details you can explore through these videos of this each application. Okay, so now I'm taking you through the Scratch website. So that is scratch.mit.edu. So this is Scratch website. So directly like you can click on start creating. So here you can see the different options are available. Before that, like in order to create new animation, in order to create the new program or create the content here, so directly we can go to the create. So like if you are need some ideas or some guidance for it, so then you can go for an explore, then for the ideas. So you can use these different tabs here. And now like if it is, if you want to join the Scratch community, so then you can join the Scratch community. So then click on sign in. So these are the different options available on the Scratch portal, on the scratch.mit.edu website or on the portal. So now just you can click on start creating. So just give me a second. So it is still loading. Yeah. So here, if we look at this, so then I think you are much familiar with the interface and all. So here you have the different blocks, and so here you can see the blocks and their codes here. So then just you can drag and drop of it. So this is the script area or the programming area, like coding area where we are writing. And here you can see the output, right? So here you have the some basic tabs like costumes, and if you want to change the costume, like if you want to apply the sound, so you have the different tabs here. So now like for example, like if here if I can uh, if I want to write a simple coding yeah, so before writing, so let me, for example, like here the cat is the by default default character or the sprite that you will get. So each character is Scratch, we call it is we call them as an sprite. So here either if you want this, so just you can keep, or if you want to remove, so you can delete it. So like now how to add the script, how to add the sprites. So here you can go to the option choose a sprite. So click on choose a sprite here. Then now like whatever like the categories of the sprites that you want, so whether it is animals, people, fantasy, something, so which what you are looking into, what are the game that, what is the content that you are going to create. So based on that we will be selecting the simple sprites here. So now you can select the sprite. So click on animals or people, like for example here. So you can select the anyone here, like for example, if just I'm doing a simple programming. So just after that, like we'll show you like how to create the subject content which we can create related to math, science, English, social. Okay, so just click on, for example, like if I'm selecting this, so like one sprite has been selected here. Okay, so here you can use this uh, sprite here. So just I have added one, like if I need one more, so just you can go to choose sprite, and another, like if you required another one, so just you can add here like the one more. Okay, so now like you have the two sprites. So like how to as you can see the second sprite which we have taken, so here it is, its size is bit bigger, so then we can reduce its size, so make it okay. So now here So we will write the simple script here. So just you can see like how to write the script. Like first the first sprite. So just I am writing, so which is highlighted here. So for that, like I am writing the script. So then uh, so just want to create an simple animation, like how these sprites are moving here and there. So just uh, uh, here and there, like as in if aquarium, so how they will move. So just that we will be creating in a form of a simple programming, simple coding here. Now you can see, so when it is moving, now it started moving, but this moment I want it should be continuous. So then I will be using the control block. So in this I am using the forever command. So now I want this movement should be happen continuous. So then here okay, so now you can see now it started moving, but it is going out of the screen. So just bring it back. So for that, like I am using one more command. Okay, so here the directions, just we can change it. Now it is moving here and there, but it is rotating. So just I am changing, this box is called the sprite info, the down. So for that particular sprite, if you want to make changes anything, so here you can make it change either bigger or smaller or moving that side, this side. Okay, so now here you can see. Okay, so now it is moving. So here you can increase or decrease the number of steps. Like for example, if I decrease the steps here, um, so its directions also, like we can change this direction. So like for example here, now you can change the direction. So for the first sprite, I have written the simple coding here. Now for the second sprite, like you can click on the second sprite. So here is the second sprite. So I will be writing the script for the second sprite. So for the second sprite, so you can write, you can make it, let's say this move, and the similar, like just I want to make it move to this end to that end. Okay, the same blocks I am using here. And when it is uh, going out of the edge, so then I am using this script. Now you can see, so this will also start moving. So its directions has been changed now. So then just I am using this info box and changing its directions. Okay, so now you can see this, both the sprites will stopped here now, but these two are having the different uh, script. So I want to join these two programs, the two scripts of the two different sprites as with the one single button. So if I click on one single button, so these both has to move. So then what I will be using, I am joining these two events. So for that I am using, like when I click the flag, uh, when I click on the flag command, so the both has to run at once. So now you can see, now this I am stopping it here. So both are stopped. Now you click on the flag. Now both will started moving. So like to this, like even if we want to apply the background, so the background is called as a stage here. So here we can apply the background, like for example here you have choose a backdrop. So click on choose a backdrop. Okay, so select the any background which suits to your uh, the content. So then you can use the background here. For example, like here I need related to the water background. So then you can select the background related to that here. Okay, so here if I want this background, so apply this background. Okay, so even like to this, if I want like apply the simple sounds to it. sound also. So then I can use some you can go to the sound block and write the add the same thing in the script. So for example, like here I am using start sound. Okay, so now just I'm stopping as I have added the sound. So you can hear the sound. Okay, so this like this, like just we can add the sounds to the content. So this is the simple programming, like how we can use the drag and drop method. So just we can create the simple animation or simple program uh, by using this Scratch application. So let me take you through a sample with related to the subject, like how we have created. So let me take you through that. Yeah. So here, like just we can take like label the names of the metal. So that we can create it as an content. That we can create it as an content, and we can use this content as to explain it to the students. So let's see like how to do that. So I will be using some, so this one, like once you create it, so just you can uh, click on file. Okay, so and this way like we can now to click on new. Yes, okay, now I will be using the uh, different new file again. So just a second, give me a second. Yeah. So how the this is the simple program. So it is on metals and non-metals. Like for example, if I click on this, so just I need to click on it, like which is the metal and non-metal. So then I have to collect it by using this. Okay, so then you will get the score here. So this how we have created the simple metals and non-metals. So this is the script for it. So just like generally how we play the game, so just we need to collect it. So which is the metal and which is the non-metal. So here we can, if you look at the programming, like how the simple coding has been written, create this simple game of to identify the metals and non-metals to collect the metal. Here you can see like we have used the motion block, looks and events, sound block. So for the sounds and even the operations, so we have used the different blocks. Just a second. Yeah. So teachers, we can use this simple, like first we need to select the different elements. Sorry, different sprites, and after selecting the sprites, so then we will be writing the simple coding here. Like if you look at if I look at this, for example, like oxygen or whatever the metals that I have taken. So if I look at this, so you can see the script of it, like for the catches, like when I'm catching this, so what is the script like I have written here. So it has to be happen like forever, and when I press the right key, it has to move right. When I press the left key, so it has to move to the left side. So now if I look at here, like change x by 10, like it's like it is points, so it is moving its direction. uh, so x value is increasing and it is moving. So similarly, like for here, if I look at the left, so then it means like it is moving to the left, like moving backwards. So that way, like here we have written this is simple script. Okay. So now if I look at the elements, so you can see the elements. So here also, like you can look at this different non-metals, like so how to write the script for this. So you can look at the script. Yeah. So this is yeah. So this is one one program. So like how we can develop the simple content for like the metals. So not only like with respect to the subject, like science subject, so even we can for the maths also, like we can create like how to measure the radius. Okay, so similarly, like what is an odd number, so what is an even number, so such kind of concepts also. So just we can create, like for example, even number and odd number, similar way of like how now just I have shown you, we have developed this metals and non-metals. So similarly, like for the even and odd numbers, like the same program that we can do it here. So where students will understand key what is the even number, what is an odd number. So this can be like for like it depends upon again the standard to which standard that you want to create. It depends upon the content again. So here, like you can see the projects. So here we have the simple projects, like which are then teachers can explore this ideas also. Now when we want to create, so we can go to this create page and we can develop the projects. So we'll show you an science project, a sample science project. Just give me a minute. Yes. So teachers, I am sharing a simple video. It is on the subject. So like if you can see this video, so here like explain to the student about the circuits like open and close circuit. So we can see this video, like we have connected to the battery and we connected to bulb and as well as a switch which we have used. When we are using it on and off, so then you can see the bulb is glowing when it is on, and when it is off, so the bulb not going. So this is a simple circuit which has been created by using Scratch application. Uh, so just the students need to be like even get switch and bulb here. So then we see the function like how it is working. So this is to explain. Uh, Second, let me share the screen. So this is a simple project and showing how the circuit will work. So where we have connected a battery and we have taken a bulb and we have taken a switch. So like how it is working. So even like when we place the positions of the bulb and the switch, and we can see like how it is functioning. So this is basically to give an understanding to the student like how circuit will work. Okay, the simple circuit, like how to connect the circuit. So this is all about the circuit, and this also is developed by using the touch application. So this is like how we can develop the simple subjects concept using the Scratch application. So even like related to maths, English, and irrespective of any subject, we can write the script for it, and we can develop the eContent by using the Scratch application. At that same time, like if we can do the voice over to it and the back, like further have the like example that like created an created a subject concepts on like example like related to maths, like the what we call in maths like uh, like if I want to explain the geometry basic shapes to the students, like what is a circle, what is a triangle, so how many parts that we have. So like for this, students can give like can over what it can add. Okay. So to add the sound, like to give the voice over, we can give our own voice to it. How that, so go to the go to the sounds, and then you can see here like choose. So this is uh, which you have by default. You have the few sounds, but I want record. So there's you have an art. So on this record icon. So then once you click on this record icon, and then you can planning to you can start to explain that subject concept. For example, like a rectangular, like what is rectangular? Four corner uh, uh, is a rectangular, like the similarly like the triangle. So what is triangle? So how many corners we have? So such even the properties of the each shape, like we can explain it. So just once you click on record, so you click on sound. So welcome students. So today we will be learning the basic matrix. So you can record. So and hear this you can hear this recorded sound. So directly like here you can record sound. So here just is required. So from here list I wanted to say. So today we will be learning the basic geometrical shapes. So click save. Now the whatever you have recorded. So your recorded voice will be here. So this you can include while you are writing in the script. So then here you can go to the script now. If whatever shapes that you have drawn here, like for example, okay, so then you can choose the Sprite, like for example, meters. Just a second. Okay, like for example, you have this shape of that, so then so here we can add the shapes. So like we can give the descriptions to it. So now again, like we will go to this simple programming here, and now you can add to this play sound. So recorded. So just we can use this recorded sound here. Oh, so then you can if I want to record, so go to the record and you can record the voice. So once I recorded the voice, so the same voice that I can go to the programming, and here I will call out this. Okay, so I will call out this shape's name. So like this, we can create the simple shapes and their properties also. Like we can explain it through the voiceover also. So this way we can create the simple e-content by using this Scratch application. Yeah. So thank you for joining, teacher. So tomorrow, like again Monday, tomorrow and day after tomorrow also we have few sessions. So definitely like we'll take you through. So we'll take you through more about the different subjects, concepts, like how we can create, how we can develop the subjects concepts, and we can use it in our regular classroom transactions. So we will take you through in next tomorrow and day after tomorrow sessions. Thank you, teachers, for joining.